No service.
What do you got?
Mercedes problems. That's how I aim myself down trails.
What is it?
Bentley Bentayga. 95 Mercedes-Benz E320 Mercedes-Benz Bentley Bentayga.
Anything you like about it?
How it handles down the trails.
Anything you hate about it?
No AC. I mean, the AC does work. It just, there's no blower motor to blow the cold at you. So, it doesn't work. Bentley Bentayga. Got this for free. We got a cooler. Cold beer. Ice cold beer, bro.
There's no beer in there.
Gonna have to go back.
No service. No service.
I think there's something stuck under the front.
You do? Something stuck?
No, it's good. I think it's good. So where the fuck are we?
We're figuring it out.
Oh shit. I think something's dragging. Acting all bougie now that you got a Mercedes.
Yeah, dude. I want to keep my car nice.
What's that sound?